In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view in Microsoft Outlook for Windows. Changing the view is really useful if your inbox feels cluttered, or if you simply prefer a different layout for reading and organizing your email. Outlook gives you several built-in views and customization options, so you can adjust things like message layout, reading pane position, and how much detail you see at a glance. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your Windows computer, and make sure you're in the Mail section, where you can see your inbox and messages. At the top of the window, look for the ribbon, which is the bar that contains all your main tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and so on. Click on the tab labeled View. This is where all the layout and appearance options for your mailbox are grouped. Once you're on the View tab, you'll see a section usually called Current View or Layout. Here you can quickly switch between different predefined views. For example, you might have options such as Compact, Single, or Preview. The Compact view shows more messages in the list, while Single or Preview might give you a larger reading area for each email. Click on each option to see how it changes your inbox, and choose the one that feels most comfortable to you. Next, take a look at the reading pane options, which are also on the View tab. The reading pane controls where your email content appears when you click a message. You can place it on the right side of your screen, at the bottom, or turn it off completely so messages only open in a separate window. If you like scanning through messages quickly, the right-hand reading pane is often a good choice. If you prefer a more traditional stacked layout, the bottom pane may feel more familiar. Try each setting and see what gives you the best balance between space for your message list and space for reading mail. You can also adjust how much detail you see in your message list. Look for options related to Message Preview or Conversation View, turning on Conversation View groups. Emails with the same subject into threads, which is helpful for following long email discussions. Reducing or increasing the preview lines changes how many lines of each email's content you see without opening it. After you've experimented with these options, take a moment to scroll through your inbox and make sure everything looks clear and easy to work with. Remember, you can always return to the View tab and fine-tune things later as your needs change. That's all you need to change the view in Microsoft Outlook for Windows and create an inbox layout that works better for you.